What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best heavy bag stand in 2022. There's a lot of choice for heavy bag stand. Using a free-standing punching bag will not only help develop your punching, kicking, and striking skills and form, but will also improve reflexes, hand-eye coordination, footwork, and, of course, give you a killer cardio and core workout. So we've compiled a list below of some of the most popular and effective freestanding punching bags to help make your decision easier. Whether you're a boxer or MMA fighter, you'll be sure to find something to your liking. And if you're a wrestler or MMA fighter, check out our picks for the top grappling and punching dummies available on the market today. Heavy bags are some of the best tools to train combat sports and cardio, and they don't exist without a high-quality heavy bag stand. For this reason, I have tested a couple of them in recent months and have found the Outslayer Muay Thai heavy bag stand with 350 pounds capacity to be the best heavy bag stand for martial arts and combat training. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Everlast Heavy Punching Bag Stand. The Everlast 2 Station is a remarkable heavy bag stand. But the Speed Bag platform, not so much. It's Everlast's idea of boosting sales from adding a mouth-watering attachment, such as the Speed Bag platform, all at a sweet price. And it works. If you are a beginner or intermediary boxer, you wouldn't mind training on the Speed Bag. Sooner or later. And especially not when you can get a setup for both at a little over the heavy bag stand price. The Speed Bag platform isn't a total rip-off. You can change the swivel, its biggest complaint, to a pro-type swivel for about $20. It also adjusts to your desired height. You'd still need to weigh it down with sandbags or weight plates. But that should be expected already, considering its price. What you may not expect is some kind of quality control issue. Some folks have fussed about a broken bolt or misalignment while coupling the beams. Perhaps due to the stand's relative success, they slacked a bit with a batch of their inventory. But that was a long time ago. Regardless, this is a solid heavy bag stand for the money. Frankly, I won't advise going any cheaper than this range, especially for a dual station. Specification and features. Sport type, boxing. Brand, Everlast. Color, black. Product dimensions, 66.5 inches wide by 87 inches high. Reasons to buy. Well worth the money. Versatile. Long-lasting construction. Holds up the heavy bag steadily when it's weighted down. Reasons to avoid. Some complications during installation. Sways while hitting the bag without anchor. Cheap Speed Bag platform. Number 2. Balaj Universal Heavy Bag Stand. The Balaj Heavy Bag Stand is the juggernaut of heavy bag stands. Without weight pegs or sandbags, this stand would hang nicely over a 100-pound bag heavy bag. And it's slated to hold up well up to a 300-pound heavy bag. That's more than you'd probably ever need to stay in shape in a home or public gym. As if that's not enough, you can add a speed bag attachment whenever you're ready to take things up a notch. If your garage or basement would fit this stand, you can't go wrong with it. It's the kind of product you buy and enjoy instantly. It's no doubt the best boxing bag stand I know of. But it comes with a worthy hefty price tag. So, it might be out of option for folks who'd only fumble with the heavy bag once in 3 weeks. But, then again, it's your choice if you won't settle for less. Specification and features. Sport type, boxing. Brand, Balaj. Color, antique silver. Color, antique silver. Material, powder-coated steel. Reasons to buy. It would last long enough for generations. If you use it properly, no pun intended. Spacious heavy bag and speed bag station. A mile less noisy than cheap heavy bag stands. You can hang any heavy bag size, and it won't budge. Reasons to avoid. Matching hefty price tag. Number 3. Century Heavy Bag Stand. Without much publicity, the Century Heavy Bag Stand gained massive traction in sales. It's no surprise. The heavy bag stand is affordable and doesn't show signs of shoddy construction. Of course, its powder-coated steel is long-lasting in terms of durability. But it's not as strong if you think of stability while hitting the bag. But at its price, it's no surprise. However, if you have weight plates in your home gym, you can place them on the 3 pegs of the stand. If not, place sandbags or heavy objects at the angle of the pegs. This extra weight would stop the stand from tripping over or wobbling a great deal. You could just make the heavy bag stand the new storage for the plates. But it seems Century doesn't fancy sharing information, not just publicity. The stand would most likely not come with a manual. But it should be easy to set up. So, you or anyone who offers to help would have no problem. Specification and features. Size, 1 size. Sport type, martial arts. Brand, Century. Item weight, 50.25 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 53 by 5.1 by 21.5 inches. Item weight, 50.25 pounds. Reasons to buy. Easy assembly and disassembly. Can stay stable with up to a 60-pound bag without anchor. Notable mid-range option. Reasons to avoid. Rattles and can be noisy under intense workout. Needs weights to be at its best performance. No manual. Number 4. Outslayer Muay Heavy Bag Stand. This is one enormous heavy bag stand reviewed for this post. The Outslayer Heavy Bag Stand is 7.5 feet tall and can hold up to 350 pounds. That's more than enough for most people, and you, I guess. But it helps to use a hulking heavy bag stand if you value stability. You can buy happiness, knowing you won't worry about holding the bag from falling over. Or moving all over the place. The wobble makes me feel like a pack-a-punch at least. The Outslayer stand has 4 sandbags you'd need to fill up as anchor. It's cheaper than if you had to use weight plates and just as effective. That said, sandbags would give up to 60 pounds of weight support. The usefulness of this heavy bag stand for Muay Thai can't go unsaid. Being over 7 feet tall, the stand can support the 6 feet heavy bag used to train low kicks and teep in Muay Thai. By the way, you can adjust the height if it won't the basement or garage ceiling. For all its remarkable features and strength, it sure does command a hefty price. If it's worth it would be up to you. An amateur who wouldn't bother much about a wobbly stand will find it expensive. Specification and features. Sport type, boxing, Muay Thai. Brand, Outslayer. Color, black. Item weight, 60 pounds. Age range, description, adult. Reasons to buy. Solid construction. Considerably small footprint. Perfect for practicing kicks. Holds up any heavy bag. 10-year warranty. Reasons to avoid. Pricey. Wouldn't fit under short ceilings. Number 5. Everlast Steel Heavy Bag Stand. The Everlast Heavy Bag Stand is a durable powder-coated frame of steel. Putting the 100-pound bag on it doesn't make it slide or wobble, unlike most reasonably priced heavy bag stands. But you'd need plenty of anchoring weight and suitable flooring if you want to do any serious work on the stand. It has 3 weight pegs you can use for that. A rubber mat could reduce its noise and limit movement. Regardless, this thing still makes a hell of a noise. It's not the best option if you stay in an apartment building or upstairs for that matter. Like most heavy bag stands of its type, the front legs limit your path if you want to practice footwork. But, it's more than enough to get you in shape and master the right technique. This is no doubt the best punching bag stand for home use as an alternative. And its price is just right in the middle and is, of course, an affordable alternative. Specification and features. Size, dimensions, LXWXH, 69 by 48.25 by 84.13 inches. Sport type, boxing, mixed martial arts, kickboxing, fitness. Brand, Everlast. Color, black. Item weight, 200 grams. Product dimensions, 69 inches wide by 84.13 inches high. Reasons to buy. Portable. It would last long. Stays steady with a 100-pound bag steady if anchored. Tested and trusted. Reasons to avoid. Lousy? You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.